Back for video 5, line chart 5, gasoline. In this particular video, we're going to clean up our worksheet a little bit and then we're going to create a column chart out of some of this information just to compare the cost between the years 2013 and 2016. So let's first go in and let's get rid of this for now. We'll clean that up. We'll leave that. And then let's come over here to A39. Oh, I also have that sitting there from the borders. Let's go in and put no border there. And then let's come in and put cost 2016. And I'm going to insert a row here. And we'll put cost 2013. And that'll be good. So go ahead and get that taken care of, and then we'll move on and create a column chart. Let's first create a column chart that compares the cost in 2016 for our Camry here compared to the cost for the Camry 3 years ago. And this information is for September of those years. So step 1, let's click on the, well, let's go ahead and start with the 2013. So click on that value, and what we don't want to do is something like this. We can't select all of those contiguous cells, and we want to make a chart of non-contiguous cells. And the way to do that is to hold down the Control key, CTRL, located over on the left side of the keyboard. And there's one on the right side also, but I use the one on the left underneath the Shift key. Hold it down, and then you can click, and there we have 2 active cells that are not connected or are non-contiguous. And so you can see that information right there, D44 star, and then the location for that Oregon cost for 2016. So those are selected, and then just like we did before, click Insert. This time let's select that basic bar column chart, and there we go. So select Data. And we need to edit our horizontal axis because we need 2013 here and 2016. So we're going to click Edit, and we are going to first click on the Cost 2013, hold down the Control key, click on Cost 2016, click OK, and there we have our labels for our columns. We're going to click Select Data, edit our horizontal axis so we can get 2013 and 2016 here. And so, click on 2013, hold down the Control key, click 2016, and click OK. And there are our labels. Now we can give a name to this series of data, and we can, let's go ahead and put, let's see, Camry gasoline or fuel cost 2013 versus 2016 for Oregon. And we'll click OK and see what we have here. Camry gasoline cost. And so there's a nice column chart showing the difference between 2013 and the cost for 2016 for that particular vehicle. And then we can make that its own standalone page by right-clicking, Move Chart as a new sheet. Give it a name, Camry gas cost Oregon. It's about as large as I think it's going to let me make that. Yep. And so next up is for you to go ahead and make 3 more of these column charts using this data that we calculated here. So we just created a chart for the Camry, gasoline cost for Oregon. Now make another one to calculate that cost for the Camry for Los Angeles using these 2 values. And then make a third one for the Tundra, calculating the cost to operate the Tundra in both in Oregon in both 2013 and 2016. And then the fourth one would be to calculate the cost of operating your Tundra in Los Angeles for the years 2013 and 2016. So you'll have a total of 4 different column charts that look like this. And I'll come by and take a look at those. And that will conclude this particular video and taking a look at the data that we calculated of gasoline costs for September 2016 versus September 2013.